Hello, I'm Neil Lewis and I've got the great privilege of chairing Carmarthenshire Energy Limited, and we're very excited today because we're launching our first community share offer.
I'm Roxanne Tracy, Secretary of KEL. I'm passionate about community development and sustainable energy, and as you can hear, there's plenty of recycling going on around here. For my day job, I'm a funding and marketing consultant.
I'm Tom Davis and I'm the Treasurer of KEL, and it's a good opportunity for me to join the work that I do every day with Christian Aid, where we are very concerned with climate change, and the work of KEL of course is helping as well to ensure that there won't be so much climate change in the future.
Hi, I'm Ben Ferguson Walker. I'm a founder member of Carmarthenshire Energy and a director on the board at the moment, and my background to that is as the technical officer for Ynni'r, which is Welsh Government's programme to support community renewables.
My day job is actually working in community energy throughout Wales. I've developed that job and that career. I used to be a dentist because of my passion for locally owned, community owned energy, and we're very proud today that Carmarthenshire Energy is launching its first share offer. What we're trying to do really is that when these wind turbines get built, that they're owned by local people, that they can invest in the projects, whether it be hydro, wind, anaerobic digestion, high head hydro, whatever you can think of. And when this money comes back into the community, then we'll have a democratic process so we can decide how that money is reinvested in the community, keeping the money local and entirely for the benefit of the people of Carmarthenshire. Obviously, what we'd like you to do is invest, because we'd like as many people from Carmarthenshire and the local West Wales area to invest in our projects. Because what we find from past experiences tends to be fairly wealthy people from elsewhere that get involved, and that they're very welcome as well. But the more we can have from people of Wales, the better.